All right. So sometimes simple is the best. And this is for those of you guys who want to record a simple audio version of your podcast, like just straightforward. You're talking, that's it. You're going to use this tool called Online Voice Recorder up here. The link is in the Google form, obviously, right above. So you click on it, take you here. You can bookmark this, favorite it if you want to. That way you continually come back to it. Notice I don't have my bookmarks. So if I go to my settings over here, and I find my bookmarks. Here we go. I'm going to say show bookmark bar. Right. So then I'd have all my bookmarks here. Now, how this works, super, super simple. Again, all you're going to do is record your podcast, the audio you're saying. So you click on this little red tab. Now, I believe you'll get a pop-up, and I think I should get this very same pop-up. There it is. It says, I don't know if you can see it on my screen right now, but it says voicerecorder.com wants to use your microphone. So click allow. And then here you go. You're recording, and you can see you're recording because you have your little audio files right here. You can pause the recording and, cough, find notes, whatever you need to do, resume your recording. And then when you finish your clip, if you just hit that button again, you can trim things. If you mess up any at the end, you can preview and listen to it. But all you're going to do is hit save. And notice it downloads to a file. And there you go. That's the file you're going to give me for your podcast when you're finished. So that's the simplest way you can do this with the online voice recorder.